Hi, boys and girls. This is Module 6, Lesson 8. This is the last lesson that we are doing for this module. We're going to be doing some other things for math for the few remaining days of school. So you should have already done your pattern sheet. You should have watched the daily video on Great Minds. And this is our third lesson of practicing line plots. So let's take a look at this problem set. I'm going to read it to you, but you are going to do the work. So, Delilah stops under a silver maple tree and collects leaves. At home, she measures the widths of the leaves to the nearest quarter inch and records the measurements as below. So here we have widths of silver maple trees in inches, and you can see all of the lengths that she's recorded. Letter A says use the data to create a line plot below. Now, I'm going to help you with one thing, and that is drawing the line plot. You need to make sure that you have a title, and you need to make sure that you have a label at the bottom, and you need to tell us what x equals. So you're going to set it up exactly the way we were setting up line plots in lessons 6 and 7. So go back and look at those papers if you don't remember. We're going to go ahead and draw the line plot down here. Now, when I look at the data that Delilah has collected, I notice that in inches, everything is between 5 inches and there's nothing greater than 7 inches. So actually the smallest one that I see, I believe, is 5.5. So I'm going to start the line plot, the number line, at 5.5 inches. And then we'll go to 5 3/4. And the next one would be 6. Now we're going to go to 6 1/4, 6 1/2, 6 3/4, and there is no 7, so we're going to stop right there, okay? So now we have our ranges, we have our line plot, and I kind of made this a little bit too long. Let's see if I can fix that. There we go. So that's the number, those are the numbers you're going to use for the number line. Make sure that you label the title with the label, meaning what this is down here, and tell us what each X represents on your line plot. So you're doing letter A, and you're also going to come over here and do letter C. Letter C says how many more leaves were 6 inches wide than 6.5 inches wide. So you're comparing 6 inches and 6.5 inches. And letter D says find the 3 most frequent measurements on the line plot. So the 3 that had the most. What does this tell you about the typical width of a silver maple tree leaf? So do your very best on that one. I'm really checking to see if you know how to set up your line plot. So good luck, take your time, use lessons 6 and 7 papers to help you.